How do I convert my 401k to physical gold? Rather than keeping your retirement savings in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that fluctuate based on the whims of the market, you may want to consider physically holding gold in your hands as your retirement asset of choice. While there are many ways to convert 401k to gold, here are some simple steps to help you start thinking about the value of gold as an investment vehicle. If you are looking to invest in gold, the first thing you need to do is convert your traditional 401k to physical gold, allowing you to invest in physical gold bullion and coins. Before you do that, you should make sure you know about the fees associated with this process and if it's beneficial to your financial situation, as well as how much it costs to convert from one type of retirement account to another. Here we go into detail about what steps must be taken and what is required in order to convert your 40 Kelvins plan into a gold IRA. A gold IRA is a type of individual retirement account, IRA, that allows you to invest in physical gold. This can give you valuable, tangible assets that aren't at risk from traditional investment instruments, like stocks and bonds. Additionally, there are several advantages to holding an IRA over a regular brokerage account. For one thing, with certain IRAs, like a self-directed or real estate IRA, you have more flexibility when it comes to where you put your money. For example, if you have investments that fall outside of conventional IRAs, think Bitcoin, these alternative funds can be held inside a self-directed IRA. Another benefit of self-directed IRAs is tax-deferred status. When your deposit grows, you don't pay taxes on its profits until you withdraw them. Most importantly, though, self-directed IRAs come with fewer restrictions than other accounts do. You don't have to hold specific investments in order to use them. Instead, you can choose between hundreds of options as long as they fall within IRS guidelines for IRAs. This gives you more flexibility and control over how you manage your money. Converting retirement accounts into physical precious metals can be done in one of two ways. 1. Purchasing physical bullion with cash, or 2. Rolling over your current account into a new self-directed IRA that allows you to buy metals. How do I convert a traditional IRA to a gold IRA? The conversion process begins by creating an account with a custodian, the organization that will keep tabs on all of your assets, for each type of IRA, traditional and Roth. From there, it gets a little complicated. After opening both accounts, in person or online, contact your current custodian and request that they move all funds from your traditional IRA into Roth IRA account. Once you've done so, you'll have one Roth IRA, and you're ready to convert. But before doing so, make sure your gold IRAs meet IRS requirements for alternative investments in self-directed IRAs. If they don't, you can no longer use them as such. For example, in order to invest in gold through a self-directed IRA account, you must choose between a precious metals custodial account or a precious metals master trust. If you choose a precious metals custodial account, your gold must be stored by a third-party custodian. If you choose a precious metals master trust, however, you must deposit your gold directly. That said, self-directed IRAs allow for flexibility in their implementation. As long as your IRA meets IRS requirements and is maintained by an approved custodian, it can hold whatever assets you'd like. If this sounds complicated, don't fret. At the end of the video, we will list our top 4 picks of trusted companies who will guide you through the entire process from beginning to end. We have also put links below the video. How do I convert my 401k to gold? If you have a 401 Kelvins, or any other sort of tax-deferred retirement account, with a big balance, you're probably not looking forward to paying taxes on it when you take it out. There is a better way, however: convert your savings into gold. The beauty of precious metals is that they retain their value, and hold on to it even better than stocks and bonds during times of market volatility. The process is fairly simple, though you'll need a bit of paperwork and help from your accountant. First, establish an LLC, if you don't already have one. Then, get in touch with one of our recommended providers, who will set up shop as a qualified purchaser. That way they can purchase precious metals on your behalf. If that sounds complicated, don't worry. It will all be taken care of for you by the provider. Talk to them today about converting your 401k into physical gold. How to move a 401k to gold without penalty. If you're looking to protect your future finances in the event of an economic crisis, it might be time to consider investing some of your money in gold. While 401k plans aren't normally allowed to be invested in gold, there are ways to move your 401k into gold without incurring fees or major penalties. Here's how to get started and what you need to know about moving your 401k into gold and other precious metals, with or without penalty. Moving 401k to gold without penalty rules and requirements. Depending on your plan, you may be able to move some or all of your 401k balance into gold. In general, however, you can only do so if you're 55 years or older and are moving it into an individual retirement account, IRA. If that's what you want to do, be sure that you have about 30% of your current 401k balance in cash in order to avoid penalty fees. It's not mandatory but highly recommended. Depending on your age, you may also have other options for investing in gold. For example, if you're 45 or older, you can invest up to $100,000 in a self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, and buy up to 25 ounces of gold bullion. 1 ounce equals 31.1 grams. You can also set up an IRA charitable rollover account, CROA, and donate cash in order to open it. When you do, you can use your gold in order to make your donation. If you're younger than 45 and want to invest more than $5,000 in a retirement account, be sure that you have an individual retirement account, IRA, and not a 401k. IRA accounts also have fewer restrictions and penalties. If you're younger than 50, you can withdraw your money at any time. After age 59 and a half, you can withdraw funds penalty-free as well. But if you're younger than 59 and a half and want to move your 401k balance into an IRA anyway, be sure that it has no loans outstanding. Otherwise they may turn into taxable distributions rather than retirement distributions. How do I convert my 401 kelvins? If you've decided that converting a traditional 401k into physical gold may be right for you, it's time to get started. You will have some important decisions to make in order to make sure that your conversion goes smoothly. Are you still wondering if converting a traditional 401k into a gold IRA is right for you? You can rest assured that investing in gold through your IRA is safe, because when you convert your 401k into a gold IRA with one of our recommended providers, they will handle all of these steps for you. Confirm you have enough funds in your traditional 401k. Contact your 401k plan administrator to confirm you have enough funds in your traditional 401k for a gold IRA rollover. If there are not enough funds available in your traditional 401k, you can roll over other eligible retirement plans or IRAs into your existing traditional IRA, from which you can then make a rollover contribution into a new or existing self-directed IRA and then roll it over into a new or existing gold IRA. This process is commonly referred to as an IRA structure check or IRA conversion. Determine which self-directed IRA would be best for you. There are a variety of choices when deciding how to fund your new self-directed IRA, such as bank and credit union IRAs, white label IRAs, exempt market IRAs, brokerage IRAs, self-directed Roth IRAs and other individual retirement account, IRA, products available depending on your state. In order to determine which type of self-directed IRA is right for you, take some time to learn about each option so that you will have a thorough understanding before making a decision. You can review our list of resources in order to get started today. Open your new account or rollover. New self-directed IRA. Process through self-directed broker, advisor. When it comes time to convert your traditional 401k into a gold-based IRA, it's important that you select a custodian who will work with you directly. Self-directed IRAs are typically brokerage accounts where you can buy and sell investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The IRS has strict guidelines on how much money can be converted from your traditional 401k plan into precious metals. The IRS requires that you convert funds from your traditional 401k plan into precious metals by rolling over funds directly from your original retirement account. You can roll these funds into a self-directed IRA at a gold IRA custodian, such as Augusta Precious Metals or Goldco Precious Metals. There are several different precious metals available to invest in, including gold and silver bullion coins and bars, or even gold certificates with numismatic value. Augusta Precious Metals and Goldco Precious Metals offer a variety of gold-based IRAs, depending on what you want to invest in. Once you have opened your account, you can start investing in gold by rolling over funds from your traditional 401k into an IRA that is invested in precious metals. Funds will take 10 to 14 days to transfer over. If you want to invest in gold, first you need a place to store it. A traditional savings account won't do. You can take advantage of your tax-deferred and tax-free assets by transferring your funds over from a traditional 401k plan into a precious metals IRA. This is one of many reasons it is imperative that you begin investing in precious metals as soon as possible. Interest rates are at an all-time low and will only rise over time. So convert your 401k now before it's too late. In order to qualify for a precious metals IRA or self-directed IRA, though, you must be allowed to withdraw amounts from your existing retirement plans. To see if you have that ability, contact your plan administrator today. Also consider consulting with a financial advisor who specializes in IRAs. They may also be able to offer insight on other ways to diversify with commodities such as silver bullion coins and small bars made of pure silver or gold. You can work with your IRA custodian of choice to choose an option that best fits your needs. But don't wait too long. Time is on your side if you have a retirement plan that offers more assets, but less time. It may be too late in a few years if you leave it up to chance. Or consider rolling over your existing account into another type of precious metals IRA account, one backed by physical gold and silver bullion rather than shares, futures or options contracts. A self-directed precious metals IRA will offer many more investment opportunities, not just for stocks and bonds, but for other types of physical gold and silver investments such as coins and small bars. Plus, you'll still benefit from tax-deferred growth like before. So what are you waiting for? Whether you want a gold IRA or a self-directed precious metals IRA to protect yourself against currency fluctuations, inflation or potential market collapse, now is a great time to get started. Take action now. Request info today and learn more from our top trusted providers. See links below the video or stay tuned for a quick video rundown of our top-rated companies. Thanks for watching.
Hi, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Gold IRAs can help you preserve and protect your retirement dollars and prepare you for high inflation eating away your retirement savings or another potential major stock market downturn like in 2008 or even worse, potentially wiping out your retirement portfolio. Here is a quick recap of the top 4 companies which can help you get started with setting up a new gold IRA or rolling over an existing one. We have put links to all the companies below the video as well to make it easy for you. Number 4 was Noble Gold Investments. You can visit their website at noblegoldinfo.com. Our number 3 pick was Birch Gold Group. You can visit their website at goldforthefuture.com. In the number 2 spot was Goldco. You can visit them at goldinvestingtoday.com. And our winner of 2022 in the number 1 spot is Augusta Precious Metals. Visit their website at easygoldinvestments.com. There has never been a better time to think about a gold IRA than now. Be ready before an unexpected economic future takes you by surprise. I'm Anne from GiveMeTheGold.com, wishing you the best of luck in your financial journey. Take care.